Hey there, Bowtie Loan Guy here. Wanted to show you a quick demonstration on how to calculate property taxes. This is specifically for Riverside County. The concept is the same for other counties, but the site we're going to be using and the homes we're going to be using are in the Riverside County. So go ahead and share this screen here. Okay, so just going to pull a random house over in, we're going to go Dutch Village today. So let's grab this 735. Where are we at? We are in Fresno Circle. It's a coming soon home. So maybe someone will be offering on this and can use this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this Fresno Circle. This is simply so we have the address nice and close. What we're going to do is go to the Riverside County Tax Collector, the assessor's site, go to the account search, make a payment section, drop down here to the property address, and we're going to type in 36028 Fresno. Don't always have to put the street type in there. Sometimes it throws it off. So I'm going to leave it out, see what happens here. Sure enough, it does pull it out without the without circle being input. And sometimes if you have too many words, it'll throw it off. This is a great example because there are two different types of things you'll typically see on a tax bill, the tax site here. As you can see, this personal property one, and then the real property. Personal property is typically going to follow the seller. The real property is what we're looking for. So go to view account. We're going to go to the most recent year, the 2021 tax roll once it loads. Cool. So pardon us, Mr. Christopher Burnett will be in and out quickly. Awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this base tax rate and these supplementals, and this is how we utilize these numbers here. So pull up your calculator. Now, purchase price of this home is going to be about $735,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this tax rate. This net tax rate factors in the 1%, move out of the way, the 1% general purpose tax rate, as well as the Marietta Water District East, Temecula Unified, and San Jacinto Junior College. All of these are factored into that 1.04059%. Now, one thing that I've seen a lot of agents make the mistake of doing is they use this tax rate, and that's what they put on the MLS. So they say it's a super low tax rate, under 1.1. What they didn't do is factor in the fact that it has over $3,600 a month or a year in special assessments. So what we're going to do, take this over here, is we're going to use our $735,000 purchase price, multiply that by the 1.04059%, and that gives us $76.48 for our initial calculation. Now we're going to add in $36.5580 for the special assessments. Now we're at about $11,000. So what we're going to do now is take that and divide it by the purchase price, $735,000, and the effective tax rate is actually 1.54 if you want to round it up. So you can utilize this to calculate the taxes if your buyers have questions about what the actual tax rate is. If you're questioning it, a lot of the ones in French Valley are going to have higher special assessments. So when you see something that says it's really low taxes, you always want to double check. And of course, we check for each one of our buyers on every home that they want to submit an offer on. So then if we want to find out the monthly bill here, we're going to factor this, multiply it back into that 735, 11,300, divide that by 12 months. So they're going to pay $942 a month if they purchase at the 735. Now, let's say that this home goes for a little bit more than the 735. Let's say it goes for 750. We're still going to use that same factor, 104,059, 7,800 now, and we're going to add in that 36.55. Now we're about $100 more, but the tax rate actually changes just a little bit. We were at 1.54, now we're at 1.53. So actually goes down a little bit as the purchase price goes up because those special assessments are fixed. They're not going to change. So Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about any particular properties or anything else when it comes to the calculations, let me know. Thank you so much.